Mate, you know us offside. What are you playing at, bro? Come on, look at me. Mate, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. You even watching the game. Come and look at me.
Hi, can I have a minute of your time just to... Hi, can I just ask you...
What's going on? What? Are you stupid or something? Have you lost your mind? This is my regular club. We come here every single week, no problems. And you will come and tell us we can't come in. If you ruin my night, I swear to God, I'll make this night the worst night of your life. Do you understand me?
Where you going, Rick? Where you going?
Hi, can I just have 2 minutes of your time? Hi, can I just have 2 minutes? It's really late. Hi, can I just have 2...
I will see you tonight. Watch.
You have a good night, mate, yeah?
You ruin my night, I'm gonna ruin your life. Forget my night, I'm gonna ruin your life.